for us was important. That was sexy. That was feline. That was romantic, and strong in the same way. So it's
like our fashion.
It's like
that is the point. Because when we create, we say one dress, one collection should be like that. You understand? Sexy, aggressive, a little bit romantic. For that kind of woman, and the perfume should be the same.
Yeah, it's like a magic mixture to get all the ingredients in one scent or in one thing.
Well, you know, the character is a very powerful, confident, strong woman, and she is someone who dares to be herself, who dares to play with fashion, play in life.
Don't go unnoticed.
Don't go unnoticed.
Don't go unnoticed.